In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add people to a workspace on Trello step by step. If you're collaborating with a team, managing client projects, or simply inviting coworkers to join your boards, adding members to your Trello workspace is essential. The good news is that it's very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can confidently invite anyone to your workspace. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your Trello account. Once you're logged in, go to the home page. You can do this by clicking on the Trello logo or selecting Home from the main navigation area. This is where you'll see all your boards and workspaces. Next, select the workspace where you want to add new members. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're choosing the correct one. Click on the workspace name to open it. This will take you to the Workspace Overview page, where you can manage boards, members, and settings. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the Members tab. This is usually located near the top of the Workspace navigation menu. Click on Members to open the Member Management section. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to the workspace. To add someone new, find the option to Invite or Add Members. You'll see a field where you can enter the email address or username of the person you want to invite. Carefully type in their email address or Trello username. Make sure there are no spelling errors, otherwise the invitation may not go through. After entering the email or username, Trello will show matching users in a drop-down list. Select the correct user from the list. This ensures you're inviting the right person, especially if multiple users have similar names. Before sending the invite, you may see an option to write a description or message. This step is optional, but it's a good idea to include a short note explaining why you're inviting them or what the workspace is about. For example, you could write something like, "Hi, I'm inviting you to collaborate on our marketing projects." This adds context and makes your invitation more professional. Once everything looks good, click on Send Invite. Trello will immediately send an invitation to the person's email address or Trello account. They'll need to accept the invitation before they can access the workspace. After sending the invite, you can click again on the Members tab to review the updated member list. Here, you'll be able to see current members as well as any invited users who haven't accepted yet. Once they accept the invitation, their status will update, and they'll officially be part of your workspace. And that's it. That's how you add people to a workspace on Trello quickly and easily. As you can see, the process only takes a couple of minutes, and it's a crucial step for effective team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, project management tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.